three object of edit selected object. These are compose, style and text. If I add some object from object library, now first of all, compose is used for grouping, ungrouping, uh, bring object front or back. Now if I select multiple objects, here I am selecting multiple objects. Now I want to make a group, then click on compose and group. Now it become a one object, so we can drag and drop only one object. Now if you want to ungroup it, then again select it and click on compose and ungroup. It become different objects, separate object. Now front and back option. If I want object in front, then click that object, compose and bring to front. Same, if you want to this object at back side, click on that object, compose and send to back. Now if you want duplicate copy of that object, click on duplicate. You can make duplicate version of each and every object. You can also duplicate the text also using compose. Not only shape, you can duplicate the text also. Now remove object, click and compose, then remove object. Same, closer and farther object to bring object more closer and farther. Now next option is style. Style is a very important object option which make our simple object in very different way. First, drop shadow. Here I want a shadow, blue color shadow, so it is visible. Now see the difference. At back side, one shadow is there, which is blue color shadow. You can see clearly, which is sprayed back side of the object. We can set the distance of the shadow from the object. We can also set the angle, on which angle you want the shadow. We can change the shadow color from the color option. Now next is outer glow. We can apply on other object, like if I insert red color circle. Now outer glow. So it is a difference between, there is a difference between glow and shadow. So here green color glow, we can spread and set the size and opacity. See the difference, it is a shadow, this is a glow. Now next I insert simple object with blue color, now inner shadow, again I set some different colors so we can visualize it very quickly. Now see the difference, opacity and size. It is an inner shadow, so it is visible inside the object. We can set angle also, color also. It is an inner shadow. Okay, we set the shadow inside the object. Now other option, emboss. Now if you want to emboss your object, we can set the depth of the object, embossing depth, set like a soft button. After the embossing we can make our object like button, emboss. It is basically used for generate icon. Now other option is stroke. We can set center, outside and inside stroke. Again I change the color so we can see easily. At least we can feel, we can set fill type by linear and radial and solid. We can change the stock, it means border color, opacity, size of the border, color of the border. If I set linear, then we can set shading color. If I set here yellow and white, so see the difference. Make me large. If I make it large, then you can clearly visualize that here is a yellow color, then here is a border white. So we can set using stroke. There is a customized border are there, so we can select and change the border style. Now next, I add different shapes so we can visualize easily. Now other style is glows. So if you want to set the shading in different shape, opacity, so we can set the angle also of the shading. It is easily visualized. Now next, reflection. If I want same reflection, here we can see easily it's a light reflection of that object. We can set opacity, make me larger so we can easily visualize. Size of the reflection, we can increase and decrease. Distance with the object, opacity, then it is there is a general option which include each and every drop, shadow, emboss, inside, outside shadow, etc. We can set from here also. Now next is text. Now if I want to change the text style, again I increase its size so we can clearly visualize. We can change the style from text. We can install new fonts from here. We can change bold, italic, underline, style of the font. Here other three options are over. Now in next session we will discuss other options.